Well, we are outside of the Armstrong elevators, but before we go in, look at this beautiful new Lexus LC500. Man, it looks gorgeous. It's brand spanking new. And there is Amtrak Fan 2009, something like that?
Yes.
Okay. And here are the elevators. Which, when I was last here, I thought they were getting modded. Turns out they just changed the cabs, but unfortunately modernization, I believe, is still part of the plan here.
Dun, dun.
Oh, did they shut this one? Hope they didn't. Well, it's open here, so guess not.
Maybe the door over there is more open.
Yeah.
When you guys get into the Sky Connect and the doors open, take a look at the edge on the top. See all those wheelchairs? Those little poles? They've been beating the doors. They didn't anticipate the height of those poles. So they're actually denting the doors.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. They might have a problem with that.
Level 1. Package claim. Rental car.
We'll go take it up.
You good?
Uh,
We're gonna go back up?
yeah, I want to go up to 9.
Laura? Yeah. So we were at Kelly's and we saw these coming in with
There's lots of construction going on 8 right now.
Wait, could you stop at 3 because I need to use the bathroom. I'll meet you guys in the Sky Connect terminal.
You sure? I'll go with you.
Level 3.
You fine just staying with me, Joseph?
Yep, sure. It's fine.
Right.
Catch up with you.
And hotel.
Making a movie?
Oh yeah, I'm an elevator fan. I do videos, I have like a huge YouTube channel where I do videos all about elevators.
Going
Oh, wow. And you even have an Otis shirt on.
Yes.
Man, you're on the team.
Yeah.
These are Westinghouse Selectomatic elevators. They're from the 70s. They were very advanced for their time.
Wow. Interesting.
Yep.
Okay, have fun.
Yep. Thanks, you too.
Bye.
This is awesome. It's too late. I was going to show the renovations up on the top floor. Oh well. And these were recently inspected. That's good. Oh, look at that. Westinghouse interlock. Let's go down to 1. May be able to get a couple rides on this one. Rattles a bit. Definitely a nice cab.
Yeah.
Schindler did this. They also updated the controllers back in like 2006. But yeah, these are otherwise original.
Package claim.
A little bit of classic leveling. Unfortunately though, in a few years, these are gonna get modded into 6400 NA. They're probably gonna be mad BS.
Going up.
These definitely accelerate pretty well.
I agree.
These have the original motors and components for the most part.
Yeah.
They just updated and digitalized the controllers on these. And we are almost on 9.
Short-term parking area level 9.
I love those bells. Look at that. We love those buttons. Those Westinghouse AE buttons. Alright, I'm gonna get out here. I wanna oh yeah, dinner bell. Unfortunately, it decided to leave. Gonna get another one. Which one are we gonna get? Hello. Doing pretty good. It's gonna be this one. Or maybe not. Or maybe it's gonna be that one. Yep. If anyone's in here, yep, they're gonna be famous. All right, we're gonna go to 3.
I'm going down to 1.
Well, that's
Why? Later we're gonna go to 1.
Going down.
What kind of elevator is this? Coney?
This is a Westinghouse. That got slightly updated by Schindler, actually. You're an elevator guy?
Level 3.
I love elevators too. I actually do videos of elevators.
Oh, Westinghouse.
Yep, it is. And yep. Oh, that's cool. Floridian elevators. Yeah, here it goes. That's gonna be it. Wow, look at all this construction.